So it's really, really important to just stick to what you know and what you do best in your office. Stick to the foundation of chiropractic and stick to the principles of chiropractic. And the most successful offices that we see that communicate the best, not only doctor to patients and practice members, but teams to practice members as well. It's important to know, what you're grounded in, what your foundation is in. And ultimately, it's chiropractic. And the team can have confidence in that and know when they're communicating to other people. And for reevaluations and different scenarios, they know that chiropractic works, and that's the core of what we do, and that is what releases the power of the body to heal itself. So there's a time and a place for massage and weight loss and detox and nutrition and all that stuff, and there's nothing wrong with those things. But when you become a little bit of everything, you don't become great at one thing, and it's important to be great at one thing. And I use the example, if you're going in for heart surgery, you wouldn't go to a general surgeon, you go into somebody that does all hearts all day long every day, and they specialize in hearts and that's all they do. So if you were going to go in for chiropractic care, wouldn't you want to go to somebody that all they do is specialize in the spine and the nervous system, and they're the best and they're the greatest at it? And network in your community and know who's the best at nutrition. That's all they do all day, every day. Who's the best at weight loss? That's all they do all day, every day. And be able to refer people to them that need it, because there is a need for those other things in the community when that time comes up. And that's okay to say, I know this person and they're the best. So stick to the principle, know what you know, and confidently stand in that.